G'day guys, it's Gavin Shape from Lloyds Classic Car Auction, and today I present to you this outstanding 1971 Ford Falcon GTHO Phase 3. This restored matching numbers GTHO finished in Nugget Gold was originally ordered by Bob Jane for Ian Diffen and destined for the racetrack but never collected. Having only 3 owners from new, the original owner kept a logbook of every single mile travelled with every single service and part replaced or repaired during the 45 years of custodianship. As per the records provided, this vehicle was garaged in 1982, then spent some time at the Gosford Auto Museum before being purchased by the current custodian in 2017. A painstaking 5-year restoration was recently finished and assembled by Grand Tourer Melbourne. Due to the extreme rareness of this immaculate classic, all bidders must be pre-approved. So please call 1-800-456-588 or head to our website at www.lloydsauctions.com.au. This immaculate classic plus many more will be going under the hammer on Saturday, March the 26th, kicking off at 10 a.m. Good luck to all the bidders out there.